Okay, I'm apologize to you guys. You know what I mean? A lot of people say, "Oh, Ricardo, what happened to you? You're not uploading no videos or nothing on your blog YouTube channel." No, 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 because I'm working on my main YouTube channel because I'm heading towards 2 million subscribers at the meantime. Um, yeah. Quick update. I never talk about this, you know. I know someone reached out to me the other day and I said, Chef Ricardo, as part of everybody is talking on social media, then don't understand that you are the first black Jamaican Caribbean who has received a gold play button from YouTube, and nobody can take that from nobody. But nobody can take that from you. And I was like, yeah, I know. I'm a first Jamaican, and you know what I mean, receive a play button. This is one of the biggest thing. You understand? Cause back in the days, I am the one who used to put um Jamaican a lot back in the days. Talk about Jamaican food, but things at time move on. You know what I mean? And I leave it to the next generation we're coming right now. But uh, and me make a lot of people join YouTube. Me, Chef Ricardo. But a lot of people not giving me flowers, but I'm not really fussy about them things there, you understand? Because back in the days I used to do a lot of videos and a lot of things, and I do a lot of things back in the days with YouTube. So I'm grateful. You understand? I'm not gonna be complaining. The only thing I would say with the new creator them we know, we are bashing on one another and going with a bag of things out there. Uno come on yourself, man. And support one another. And do the thing and make it work. Because nobody can take this from Chef Ricardo. I am the first Jamaican chef to receive a play button, a golden play button from YouTube. Me are the first Jamaican chef receive it. And nobody can take that because that's what Google said to me. That's what YouTube has said to me. So here you go. All right. But I want to take the time out to say big up everyone who support me. I'm at work, you know what I mean? I just take a little bit of break for come do what I have to do and keep you guys updated. I keep an update on this one. All right. Big up on yourself. And I will talk some more about the play button and what you can do about YouTube. A lot of people bashing me. Oh, Ricardo, you need to go back and cook. But they don't understand. It's reached a stage now. I'm not young anymore like you guys. I'm getting a stage now where I'm start to do things different and start to look about human health, good vibes. I keep you updated, man. Stay blessed, and I'm out.